Hello, welcome to the good stuff we've been doing. Here we have a very nice word problem to tackle. So let's see how we can do. It says a man named Kofi can do a job in 4.5 days, and another man named Kojo can do the same job in 9 days. Now we are asked how long will the job take Kofi and Kojo working together? So let's see. Solution. We are told that one of them, Kofi, can finish the job in, instead of writing 4.5 days, I'll just write 9/2 days. In 9/2 days, 9.5 days, not 9 days, like 9.5 of days. Then and then Kojo does the job in 9 days. So this Kojo does the job in 9 days exactly. Now it takes this man, Mr. A, let's say A, 9.5 days, and then B does the job in 9 days. Now, if they work together, how many days will they finish the work? Well, a standard approach to solving this kind of problems is to find out how many, or like how many quantity of work can they do a day, each of them, and that is what we're going to do. So let's proceed here. Let's consider A first. A does the job. A can complete the full job, complete job in 9.5 days. Okay. Sorry, it should be 4.5 days really. It's just 9/2 days. It's just 4.5 days. That is what 9/2 days means. So A can complete the job in 9/2 days. What we'll do, we're going to divide both sides by 9/2. So this will give us 2/9 of the complete job of the job will be done in one day. So 2/9 of the job will be done in a single day. That is what this means. This is what we did. The job is over here, and then we had here 9/2, and then we have days here. We'll multiply here by 2, and then we'll multiply here by 2. These 2's cancel, we get 2, and then we have a job here, and then we have 9 days. And then still here, dividing both side by 9, dividing both side by 9, the 9 cancel. Now we don't need to put days. Now we have to just write a day. So this is 2/9 of the job will be done in a single day. So just to clear things up, so we have seen that Mr. A, which is Kofi, has done 2/9 of the job in a single day. Let's see what Mr. Kojo can do. Of course, most of you must have guessed the answer, but let's still do it. Okay. Now, I'm not leaving that one as an exercise. I'll still show it. Kojo, on the other hand, Kojo, the complete job by B, the complete job was done in 9 days by B. Now, if we are divided by 9 here and by 9, it means that 1/9 of the job, 1/9 of the job was completed in one day by Mr. B. So these conditions here that we have been rephrased, and the rephrasing is that Kofi, I'll put that in dark. So Kofi completed 2/9 of the job in one day, and then Kojo completed 1/9 of the job in one day as well. So just like I said, The standard method of attack is to express them in terms of 1 day only. And if you are giving hours in terms of days, of course, we will express it as in terms of 1 hour only. Now let's see. Even though we have made some sources, we have not really solved the problem, because we are asked how long would the job take Kofi and Kojo working together. So we don't know that amount. Usually in maths, we call that quantity X. So let's see. I'll just write it below. Okay, so I think this is good. So let x be the number of days. Okay, it will take them to complete the job. Let x be number of days. Now let us observe that they do the complete job. They do the complete job, both Kofi and Kojo. So they do the complete job in x days. When x is number of days we are projected that they should have completed this job. So just like before, x is no different to us. We are going to express everything in 1 day. So we divide both sides by x. So let's say a plus b can complete the job in x days. So when you divide both sides by x and divide both sides by x, this means 1x of the job will be done in 1 day only. Now I know I use a plus b and then I use job b. It doesn't really matter whether I see put the a plus b. I just know that this one is easier for us to grasp, and I put here just to tell us that they are combining together, but just that here is just easier to relate to 1x of the job and 1 day. We combine efforts. So 1x of the job will be done by 1 day when they both combine together. Now we have obtained a relation here as follows: that if Kofi here working in 1 day can complete 2/9 of the job, and then Kojo complete 1/9 of the job, if they work together in a single day, this guy Kofi will pull his effort because they are not one and the same person. He will be doing his own part. His working would not affect that one of Kojo if we assume they will not interact each other, or they will not stumble upon each other. His portion is clear will be different from what Kojo cleared if they are clearing a field. So the job both of them will do in a day will be equal to 2/9 what Kojo can do, plus 1/9 what Kof no 2/9 what Kofi can do, plus 1/9 what Kojo can do. That is the job both of them can do in a day. This relationship, we are going to put it in green. Now let's come back and observe something here. We are told that 1x of the job will be completed in 1 day. So in 1 day, the amount of job that will be completed is this 2/9 plus 1/9. So in this case now, 2/9 plus 1/9, which is a part of the job that will be completed in 1 day by both of them, is still equals to 1x, because we are told that if they work together, 1x of the job will be completed in a day. So this equation is the vital equation we will be looking for that will allow us to solve this problem, which is that 2/9 plus 1/9 is equals to 1/x. So because here we were able to arrive at this because Kofi will do 2/9 of the job and Kojo will do 1/9 of the job. That means 2/9 plus 1/9 part of the job will be done that day. On the other hand, this 1x part of the 1/9 of the job will still be done. So this quantity, the job done will be equal to each other. Now, what we'll do is to solve this equation, but we don't really have to, since we can simply come here and then notice that 2 over 9 plus 1 over 9 give us 3 over 9 when we add 2 plus 1. So this still give us 1 over 3. So this equation then becomes 1 over 3 equals to 1 over x. And of course, here we may conclude that x is 3, which guarantees us that it will take them 3 days to complete the job. Which guarantees us that it will take them 3 days to complete the job. Now let's see our problem here. So we have answered the question that asks us how long will it take Kofi and Kojo to complete the job, which is x equals to 3 days. Yeah. Of course, one of them did it in 4.5 days, the other one did it in 9 days. So thank you for watching the channel. And if you like my content, you can check through the previous videos I make. Yeah. Please like and subscribe and have a nice day.